In civil construction, there's a huge demand for skilled workers, and finding enough qualified people, it's tough. At the Hull Group of companies, we're tackling this challenge head on. Our training and development program is more than just a response to this issue, it's a solution. By leveraging the technology and adopting a competency-based approach, we are creating a workforce with the hands-on experience they need.
The growth of our training program over the last few years stems from two key elements: Hull's commitment to innovation and technology, and an existing culture that fosters growth and development. We aim to be industry leaders in the education of the skilled labor workforce. We recognize there's a gap in formal education for these roles. We provide every worker, whether experienced or new, with opportunities for learning and clear pathways for career advancement. As we continue to innovate and expand our training initiatives, we remain committed to encouraging an environment that supports learning and to our broader goal of promoting and supporting a diverse and capable workforce. A program like this just gives more awareness of the opportunities that exist within our industry. Maybe some people are looking for educational opportunities and they're looking at colleges or trade schools and they don't realize how many opportunities are available to them. And so for us, having this program can put a path in front of them, show them everything we would teach them, so at least they understand there's some validity to what we're doing.
So the Hull training program is a multifaceted program where you have your online element and then your in the field element. And in order to fully grasp a concept, you actually have to do it yourself.
We believe successful integration begins on the first day on the job. We have courses that will provide them the minimum skills that they would need. We make sure that they know ground disturbance and rigging and the general health and safety regulations and policies that they encounter on a typical construction site. All our workers have tailored courses specific to their role. That way they're well prepared before they actually get to site.
We also know, regardless of how great our modules are, how great our safe learning practices are, training is going to happen in the field. There's going to be a hands-on aspect to it. We know that, and that's why we're trying to give our supervisors the tools to do it properly and also to document it. So it's better for them, it's better for us for compliance, also for the worker, they can see how they're progressing along their career path.
So with the nature of our work, it's crucial to know the capabilities of each team member, ensuring we're not just meeting the project needs, but also pushing for continuous improvement in our guys and through our projects. Our training program gives us a very clear picture of what each individual can do. It's kind of like having a roadmap of everyone's skills and potential. This is invaluable for when we're allocating manpower to different sites and different projects. It allows us to match the right skills with the right project. But what's even more powerful is how the system helps us in guiding our team's development. It's not just about knowing where they stand, but it's about understanding what they can do and their potential.
As a foreman at Hull, I can quickly see what each of my guys can do, which means I can put them to work right away without any guesswork. It's all about putting everyone in the best position to succeed, and ensuring safety is always the top priority. When we assess competencies in the field, those skill sets are updated and tracked in the LMS, moving with each team member from site to site.
It starts with foundational modules on safety and operation, advancing to more complex skill tailored to each operator's need. This system allows me to track progress and adjust training on the fly, ensuring our operators are not just competent, but experts in handling the machinery with safety and efficiency. It's this focus-based, focus training approach that turns our operators into specialists ready for the challenge on the job.
After doing the training modules, yeah, they're easy to use and understand, but I feel so much better after getting the hands-on training. It's an awesome and great program.
There's an amazing career in the industry to where probably 50% of the owners of most civil contracting companies don't have a post-secondary education. But, it's hard when my son will say, for instance, I'll say, well, if this is what you want to do for your life, and he's like, well, I do, but why does everybody tell me to quit and go back to school? When that's not actually the message that we should be giving out there. We should be saying, here's a career path, a career. This isn't a job, this is a career. If you want to stay in the industry, this is a career path rolled out for you, and this is how we get through it, and it can be very lucrative to you as well. Together, we're not just building roads and infrastructure, we're building the future of the civil construction industry, one skilled worker at a time.